Aradhya, and today I'm going to tell you about the most important and interesting topic, artificial intelligence. I will explain what is artificial intelligence, how does artificial intelligence work, why is artificial intelligence important, what are the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence, what are the top companies that are using artificial intelligence. So let's continue with our video. Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to simulation of human intelligence processes by machine, especially computer system. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. AI is utilized in various fields like healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment to automate tasks, make prediction, and solve complex problems. How does artificial intelligence work? Artificial intelligence works through various techniques and algorithms designed to minimize human cognitive functions. Some common approaches include machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Why is artificial intelligence important? Artificial intelligence is important for several reasons like automation, decision making, innovation, problem solving, improved healthcare, safety, and security. What are the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence? Certainly, here are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence are advantages. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing human efforts and increasingly efficiency. Decision making. AI algorithms can analyze vast amount of data quickly and accurately, leading to better informed decision making processes. Innovation. AI fosters innovation by enabling the development of new products, services, and solutions across various industries. Personalization. AI enables personalized experience for users by analyzing their preferences and behavior, leading to tailored recommendation and content. Fifth, problem solving. AI can tackle complex problems that are difficult for humans to solve alone, leading to advancement in the field such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Now the disadvantages. Disadvantages are job displacement. AI automation may lead to job displacement as machines take over tasks previously performed by the humans. Privacy concerns. AI system often requires access to large amount of data, raising concerns about privacy and data security. Dependency and reliability. Dependency on AI systems can lead to vulnerabilities, and AI system may not always be reliable, leading to potential errors or failures. Ethical concerns. AI raises ethical questions around issues such as transparency, accountability, and impact on human rights. Now, which are the top countries that are using artificial intelligence? Many top countries across various industries are leveraging artificial intelligence in technologies. Some notable ones include Google. Google utilizes AI extensively in the products like search, Google Assistant, and self-driving. Amazon employs AI for personal recommendation and uses Alexa voice assistant, logistic optimization, and more. Microsoft uses AI in service like Azure AI, Cortana, and Microsoft Office. Apple integrates AI in products like Siri, facial recognition in photos, and device optimization. Facebook applies AI content moderation, personalized content feeds, and augmented reality AR features. Now, the conclusion of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is transformative technology with vast potential to revolutionize various aspects of our life. It encompasses the range of technologies and applications aimed at creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. From virtual assistants and recommendation systems to image recognition and autonomous vehicles, AI is already deeply integrated into many aspects of modern society. As AI continues to evolve, it presents both opportunity and challenges. On one hand, AI has the potential to enhance efficiency, productivity, and order innovation across industry, leading to economic growth and improved quality of life. On the other hand, concerns about the job displacement, ethical consideration, privacy issues, and potential for bias and misuse of AI technology must be addressed. The development and deployment of AI require collaboration between researchers, policymakers, business, and society as a whole to ensure that AI technologies are developed responsibly and ethically with careful stewardship. AI has the potential to bring about significant positive change, empowering individuals and organizations to tackle complex problems and create a better future for humanity. Thank you. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe.